If you want to control your mind instead of letting your emotions control you, then Stoicism is the way. And you can start this journey by reading Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Stoicism teaches one simple truth: you cannot control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond to it. To put it simply, there are only two things in life: what you can control, which are your thoughts, your actions, and your decisions, and what you cannot control, which are people, situations, and outcomes. And peace begins when you stop wasting your energy on the second. The Stoics believe that your strength cannot come from external things like people, money, or perfect situations because they're variables. And if your strength is dependent on these factors, you will always be weak. And the real strength must come from you, from your character, your values, and your response to life, so that even if the whole world is against you, you can take a stand for yourself. Stoicism doesn't say to be emotionless. I think this is where most people get it wrong. It basically says know your emotions, observe them, but don't act blindly through them. Sometimes even positive emotions can cloud our judgment. I mean, part of our misery constantly comes from chasing happiness or chasing the next high. But if we understand that emotions are just chemical signals like dopamine, serotonin, neurons firing based on memory, I think we'll see them for what they are and we will stop chasing them and eventually become free. Meditations isn't just a book, it's actually a private journal by this Roman emperor, and it's basically a set of reminders that he has written for himself, teaching himself to stay calm, disciplined, and kind even under pressure. To me, Stoicism is a reminder to get back up every time you fall again and again, and eventually, falling will mean nothing to you, and rising means nothing to you. You will just keep going. And that, I think, is the essence of Stoicism. Do read Meditations by Marcus Aurelius and let me know your thoughts.